Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube. Today, we're going to draw Armarouge from the Pokemon Scarlet using Procreate on iPad. First, add new layer for the rough sketch. In this phase, you need to create the guideline of the character's pose. Make sure that the proportion character is right. Then, add new layer to create some details on the character. You can always merge the layers in the end. Now the sketch is done, time to make the final outline. Turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, add new layer for the final outline layer. In this phase, you must pay attention to details and proportion of the character's anatomy, so that you can easily color it after it's done. Now the outline is perfect. Time to color it. First, make the outline layer as reference, so you can just drop the color for other layer, following the shape in the outline layer. Then, add new layer for the mid-tone color. Now, add new layers above each mid-tone color layers, and set them as clipping mask. Add the darker color for the shadow tone. Repeat this step for the highlight tone or lighter color. Now you have 3 tones of colors. I see some part needs to be darker, so I add another new layer to go even further. It may look complicated, but trust me, you can easily change the color in the end if you find it not good. Or, you can make the shiny Armarouge in the end. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.